Got a question for you. Is Terrence Howard onto something revolutionary, or are his theories just science fiction?
And multiply what that gun, we get more energy out of it than we put in, which physics says is impossible. And they gave me the patents to it.
It could mean entangled photons are not the path to complete security. The question goes back to Clauser and Friedman's Bell test experiment.
I'm sure you've all seen Terrence Howard on the Joe Rogan podcast. If you haven't, it's definitely worth a watch. It's captured a lot of attention. Certainly skepticism from those he called out, like Neil deGrasse Tyson.
At the vibrant energy that goes on at conferences and the contest of ideas, that's how we roll. That's how it works.
While Howard's ideas are certainly unconventional, if not crazy, they spark important discussions about the innovation and boundaries of current scientific understanding.
Too much. The concept of gravity. So if it's all electricity that's causing these forces and it's all outside in, when the Saturn V rocket is escaping Earth's atmosphere, what is it fighting against?
What that's fighting against is the rotation. Remember, there's a centripetal spin that's taking place with the Earth.
Right.
And there's an electrical field that's generated from that. That's that centripetal spin that holds things inside.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it's fighting against.
I'm personally on a path to try and chase these down. There's several of them, and they're certainly in the realm of out there. I'm wondering if some of them are plausible, because if they are, a lot of things could change.
I don't want to turn this into a debate on hydrogen fuel cells because I just think that they're extremely silly.
Hydrogen car, tentatively named the Tesla H, represents a remarkable convergence of innovation and practicality. Unlike traditional BEVs, which store energy in large lithium-ion batteries, hydrogen cars generate electricity through a chemical reaction between hydrogen and oxygen in a fuel cell.
Some of these are so revolutionary, I think if there are, they could be quite disruptive. I guess let's just put it that way. They could be disruptive to the point where those that are, whose technologies will be disrupted, they certainly want to make sure they don't see the day of light. I believe that Howard's theories, while may not be fully scientifically valid, certainly inspire exploration into related technologies. And that got me digging down a rabbit hole today. I didn't know if you knew this or not, but decades ago there was a water-powered car by a guy named Stanley Meyer, and he's got a patent for it. Then I began to discover that Ferrari and Toyota are building hydrogen-powered cars. Fascinating. I decided to write a blog post about it. So I'll put the description, the link down at the description. So I encourage you to read that there and take a look. I think you might find it fascinating. Also put a link to Howard's patent on his propulsion system, which is a water-powered gun that shoots lightning bolts. It's quite interesting. I invite you to discover the line between revolutionary science and science fiction on our blog, Decoding, TerrenceHoward.com. Don't forget to push subscribe if this content interests you. I'm going to be doing a series of these videos exploring the various theories that Howard has put in place. Have a great day.